All right, so I have the sink cabinet to the side, and I just want to show you how easily water can damage these Ikea cabinets. Okay, I want to give you a tip on installing an Ikea base cabinet. This is the section series. We got all the uppers done. We got this side done. Now we're working on the base system. But as far as plumbing, and this is really important, I was fitting the cabinet and disconnected all the plumbing from my old cabinet. Now this drips a little bit, and as you can see, it's a very, very slow drip. You're not even seeing anything coming out now. But over the last day and a half, it's this much. And what happened is this pail was inadvertently moved and water was getting into the cabinet. Now you can expect to get water one time or another in a sink cabinet, and this is a brand new install, so this is like about a day and a half. And what happened is some of the water came in here. Now it wasn't a complete flood, just a little tiny puddle here, and caused the base to swell and push the side out. And that's not good for a base sink cabinet. And as you see here, it's starting to even delaminate, right? So I called up Ikea. They said they would give me a new base. But what I'm going to do is buy the whole cabinet and start from scratch. And what I'm going to do is just take silicone with the new cabinet and run it along the edge. This way, if water comes in here, it doesn't cause the base to swell. Now this is a totally finished piece, the side and underneath. Let's see if we can get a little photo of that. It's finished, but the inside of this piece is raw. It's raw press board, and it acts like a sponge, so if any water comes onto it and in the groove, it's going to cause it to swell. And here's the normally fitted side. You see, it's a nice tight seam, right? So, and this is only after like maybe a half a day of water, yeah, because I did catch it and put the bucket underneath. So it's about a half a day or so, and this is the swelling that happened after that short amount of time. And again, you know, it's from a tiny slow drip. You see it coming here? That's it. And made a little tiny wetness puddle, and it swelled. So I'm off to get a new cabinet, put it together, and before I put it in, I'm going to take some white silicone and put a bead all the way around. You know, even onto this little flimsy backing, probably help. And then all the way through here to give extra protection. So there you go, added protection.